Hello guys, so in this video we are going to talk about developer versus engineer versus programmer. Okay, so programmer, developer, engineer are the same, or is there a real difference? So let's understand in simple words. Many people use these terms interchangeably. What there are small difference between them. Let's break down step by step. So first I'm going to talk about programmer. What is the programmer? A programmer is someone who write the code. A programmer is someone who write the code. They focus on solving problem using programming language. Their main job is coding. Okay, so programmer is a program. Programmer is a someone who write the code and they focus on solving problem using the programming language, and their main job is coding. For example, writing function, fixing the bugs, creating the tools with the help of with the help of any programming language. Okay, now we are going to move. What is a developer? A developer does more than coding. Okay, they build the complete application or features. Developer going to build the complete application or features. They think about user experience and functionality. Okay, for example, building a website or mobile app. Okay, and third is what is a software engineer. Software engineer work on bigger level. They design system and plan how everything works together. They focus on scalability, performance, and structure. For example, designing a system for millions of users. Okay, so programmer means programmer equals to write the code, developer equals to build the product, and engineer equals to design the system. But in real job, these terms are often used interchangeably. Which one should you become? Don't focus too much on title, focus on skill. Start with programming, then move to the development and grow into engineering. Okay, all three roles are connected. The difference is mainly in scope and responsibility. Subscribe for more simple tech and career content. Bye bye, take care.